Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Microsoft OneDrive easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Microsoft account and access to OneDrive. Open your preferred web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will see your OneDrive dashboard. To upload files, click on the Upload button. You can choose to upload files or entire folders. Select the files or folders you wish to transfer. Click Open to begin the upload process. You will see a progress bar indicating the status of your upload. Wait for the files to upload completely. Once uploaded, your files will appear in your OneDrive dashboard. To organize your files, consider creating folders. Click on the New button and select Folder. Name your new folder and click Create. Now, drag and drop files into. To share files or folders, right-click on the item you wish to share. Select the Share option from the context menu. Input the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Determine if you want recipients to have edit or view-only permissions. Click Send to share the files or folders. To access OneDrive from your desktop, download the OneDrive application. Install the application following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, OneDrive will create a dedicated folder on your computer. Move files into this folder to automatically upload them to the cloud. To check the sync status, look for the OneDrive icon in your system tray. If the icon is green, your files are synced successfully. If you need to access OneDrive on mobile, download the OneDrive app from your App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can now access your files on the go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.